Telekinesis is from a linear perspective, where an individual from a source extends his hand and the objects just transfers in his... A prime example is when high functioning autism meets bipolar 1 manic episode. Physiological threshold. So one example is a coffee shop may set decade or 2 decades. You've seen musicians who play for 2 decades and they were average. So it's less about time and more about perseverance. And that's like existentialism and epistemology. One idea is solipsism, where persuasion, things like irony, sarcasm, condescension, and our meaning. The algorithm kind of unequivocates that, doesn't augment the meaning. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Self-explanatory. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.